I like the setup of it, where at first we do class work and everything. Then we go out into the shop and do the hands-on stuff.
Hands-on, that's how I learn stuff the best. I mean, if somebody shows me how to do it, I can, pick up on it a lot quicker than if somebody just told me.
The instructors are good. It's very warming and kind of like a big family.
They're very friendly. They're more than willing to help you out. Whenever you got a question, they're right there.
The stuff that I'm learning here at SWCC is helping me towards my job now that I'm in.
My long-term goal is to open up my own shop, but short-term goal will be more like try to get a job at a dealership here locally and then just kind of gain experience from there. I know employers look at whether you're ASE certified, and that helps you out a lot when getting a job.
The instructors are they're nice, and you can tell they care about you, and they want to help you succeed and want to help you in any way they can. You just kind of got to talk to them. At SWCC, your auto career starts here.